Yo, it's the Virgin Noah, Chef Boy Robert, the Demigod Robo, Dizzy Evanston, Von Rhodes the First. I just reloaded. I missed the fucking section that I wanted.
Good luck to you.
It just hit 28.
Boy,
I was gonna go
welcome
7
back.
section. It hit 29 when I first got in. Then it did all that, and then it just hit 28. So I might as well not go 7 section
So
now.
finally, ball drop to number 34. It's Red High Evan from Sordos of First Column. Player 12,
I don't
20,
really know
player
where to
59,
go,
player 25.
honestly.
Thank you so much. So betting center open and inviting on your own. Please place your bets and make your choice. Wish you the
It
best
has to
of
be
luck.
right.
Here we
Whatever
go.
it is, it has to be right.
Ooh. That's
Has to be
already over.
Has to be
We are ready to continue. Good luck to every one of you. Eight. Eight is your winning number. It's black law even if first choosing second column. So player 20 and 59 may compliments to you. Betting saying open, make your choice. God bless you guys.
I'm gonna go 7 section.
Thank you so much. Now we're ready to continue it.
Always start out with this section. I don't know.
Bets
I
are
really don't know.
accepted. So here we go.
Can it stay hot?
Finally, ball dropped to number 3. That's Russell. What's proposed reason is for column. Player 20 and 59. Good job. Woo. So, betting center open. Please place your bets and make your choice. I wish you good luck to you. Thank you guys. We're ready to continue. Bets are over. Good luck to you. So the winning number is 22. It's Black
now
High
I don't wanna
Even
be in
for
this
secondary
section.
guys, and for first column plays 06 and 36. Good job.
No more
Look
7
at that.
section.
Come on,
'cause it's
listen to
hitting
me.
around it and it's not
Betting center
hitting.
open.
So we gotta go somewhere else.
Man, welcome back. That's already over.
Let me come up here really quick.
Sorry.
2 section?
Wait, we're both. The study choose number 16. It's red, slow, eating from secondary swing, first column. Betting time not open, so make your choice and place your bets.
It came close to hitting 7 section a bunch of times, so I
It's
didn't
already
want
over.
to stay there. And we hadn't lost yet, so.
Oh, drop number
man.
7, guys.
Oh.
So that's Ratzlow with
no.
Brim, Pastruzi, and first column.
No!
Player 20, 06 and 64.
No.
My congratulations to all of you. Thank you. Betting sign it open. And I'm
Oh my
waiting
gosh.
for victory, my
And
dear.
it hit 7 right on
Okay.
the dome.
You?
Oh my gosh.
Bets are accepted.
That
I
is
wish
so
you victory,
bad.
guys. Blur 18, hello. How
I
are you
knew that was
doing?
gonna
Thank you so
happen.
much for
I
coming.
always talk about that happening. It always happens. It's unbelievable.
Vultures number 6. Black Low even for first days and plays
it's a
years.
push.
And from Sir Colin. Player 64, my huge congratulations. Whoa. Then it's an open. Let's do it. Player
That is just
time.
such
Well,
bad luck, man. Are you kidding me?
okay.
Oh my god.
That's time to start it. Notes are over. Thank you so much.
That is so bad. Oh my god, I know I'm gonna lose now. Can you have a miracle? No.
So guys, and finally we can see that our new winning number is 22. And 22 is Black Hyena from Technews in the first column, plays 64 in tier 6. Good. Oh, look at this. Amazing. So now it's an icon. Please place your bets. I wish you victory.
It's not fair.
And now we're
That's
ready to
not
start
fair.
it. That's accepted. Here we go. No bets.
It's not fair.
You winning number is 35. It's Black High Gold from Sordozen and from second column. Please 06 and 05. My congratulations to every one of you. Thank you. Batting's an open, so please place your bets and make your choice. So come on, place your bets. Thank you. No bets. Good luck.
That is ridiculous. That is just bad luck. Oh yeah! Let's go! Let's go!
And 5, please U5, please 64.
Let's go!
Every one of you. Place your bets.
Oh my god! Wow! 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 Oh my god!
Holy
Holy smokes.
We're ready to continue.
Oh my God.
Time is gone.
Thank you, God. Thank you for that. Seriously. I owe you. I owe you for that. Because that was ridiculous.
Okay, so finally we can see the new winning number is 3. It's Rat Lord from First Dosing and from third column. Player 20 is 0605 and 64. Good job. Thank you so much. Betting data open for you again, so I invite you. And on your words, please make your choice and please do that. So a few seconds left and we are ready to continue. Good luck. Time is going. Here we go, guys. I wish you victory. Your winning number, my dears, that's 8. It's Black Low Even from Visitors in second column, player 20, man, player 34 and 64. My congratulations to you guys.
Holy
Batting
smokes,
time,
man.
open.
That was so
Please make your
lucky.
choice.
That was so lucky. Oh my god.
I'm sorry. So let's start it. That's already accepted. Good luck to you. Line 82, hello, hello, how to see here? How you doing? So guys, finally our ball decided choose number 21. It's Rat. Hi, old from second is our column. Plays 06 and 64. Good job. Batting time is available for you. Thank you so
Going 9 section. I was thinking about going 6 section.
That's very
I decided to go
accepted.
9
So I wish
instead.
you victory.
Should have gone 6.
Your winning number, finally, that's 36. It's a rat high, even from sorters and sort column. Valentine open. Yeah, make your choice. My compliments, player 20, 06, 64. Good job. Valentine open. So I invite you in your own.
22, 9, 31. 31 is ice cold,
Thank
the
you.
coldest.
I know, we're ready to start
9
it.
is not that hot. It's like in the middle. 31 is cold, and 22 is a little bit better. Let's see. Yes.
So
Zero
finally,
section.
guys, spelled Drew's number 26. It's Black High Evan from Sorters in a second column. My congrats, good job. That is fine over for this. Please place you that make a choice.
Only 58 on redeem.
Thank you.
Holy shit.
That's over. Where is 69? Hello. Happy to see you here. Thank you so much, Daddy, join us. How are you doing? So my dears, now we can see that now we're both at turn number 27. It's Red Highwood from Sorters and Sort Column. With me, my gorgeous colleague, who's my last friend with you. So thank you so much.
I'm losing it. I'm losing it.
Well, hello dear viewers, my name is G. I'm going to be presenting for the next 30 minutes. We're going to have a successful and exciting game together. How it in here? How it game goes? Okay, so that means Genie is playing for you. Last one. And good
I
players.
I thought that if I went 6, it was going to go 9.
How it's going? How is summer?
So
I just came back from my vacation. And actually it's a bit hard because, you know, I finally I sleep well, then waking up at 8 a.m. in the morning, and it's so hard to work with it when you're working in a line shift. So yeah, loading number city right, it's time number 30 is calling to a section, play 88, play 15, play 88 again, but it's a different way. Yes,
back
congratulations.
down to
Give
pretty
it
much
time here
break
to
even.
make your choice.
Not looking good.
Knees being.
That 2 hit was crazy though.
Time is up. Thank you.
So crazy. Can't believe I hit that. That was lucky. That was just so lucky. Can you bounce back?
Wooden number, sitting black, the wood number from second is on first calling from T section.
Alright, we're back down to break even after this spin.
15,
So
play 88, congratulations. Bad time. However, it already left, so hurry up, please.
we've hit 13, we've hit 30, where's 30? It's 30, that 11 section, 27 that section.
Time is up, thank you.
26. That section is on fire. I should have done that section. Darn.
And you would number 5 correct, but with number first is on second column
Alright, now
T
we're back to
section.
break even.
Play 15, you're doing great, congratulations. That's a wolf for
What I
you.
can do,
Play 50, welcome back. Yeah.
because we're back to break even, you know what?
10 seconds more and by the time gonna be over. So hurry up with your chores, choose a favorite bad, maybe it's gonna be combination of that. I wish you a lot of success with it. Good luck.
I was gonna move it somewhere else. Just going to move it to like, but where would I move it?
Well, let it not
That's
in
where I
black,
should move
live even versus the second county section.
I think the thing is, for parties, 5 cups, correct? That's 40 for me.
Wow, a lot of winners. Congratulations to the you having your victory, and let's keep it up when with the next round.
Everything was
Bad in
going
time for
good
you.
there
Don't forget
for
about
a
Outside Tech.
second.
You can find
We're
information
at
about Outside Tech there.
90% on
All those numbers as
redeem.
well. So just check. I
Just
think it's
one
gonna be
hit,
useful for you.
please.
Maybe it's gonna help you to
Oh my God, all we need is
create
one hit.
your own strategy. So time's up. Thank
One
you.
hit and we can cash out. One hit.
Let's
Just
check.
one hit.
Which
I
part
don't
will
even know
try.
what your
Please,
name is.
hello.
Please, Gia. No.
Wooden number is totally is not in that. So I'm not in that. It's a higher number from second and the first column from Boston section break 15. Keep it up. Congratulations.
Oh my
You
God.
believe I'm here.
Shouldn't have gone 9 section. That's my
So let me know please where we
fault.
from.
4 section. That was stupid.
News brief for you. Thank you.
If I had gone 4 section there, I would have hit. Should have gone 4 or 2 the last time.
Ooh, that's your black check. For me, that's pretty. Too many
Well, you with a number to please
So close.
right. Hitting right look with a number from second
gotta
distance
move.
recalling
I gotta move.
as on section. If you simply 80 by 50, congratulations.
Do I have to move?
That's a
Where
for
should I
you.
move
So
to?
choose your bad
even
combination of
move.
bats. You can place
can't even
some
move.
bats and neighbors, final sections, complete bad, half complete bad, a lot of different options. More
I
information
thought
about
that
it, you
was
can find the
in. That
menu.
was as close as it's gonna get. That was as
Time for a
close
news
as it's
brief.
gonna
Thank
get.
you. Green Traveler 37, welcome to your base, welcome to Battle A, welcome to our relate to Madam
That's
Chiquita.
that's as close as it's gonna get.
Well, how are you, please?
Darn.
Well, you with number 21 that high or number from second dose round. First calling from was at some sort of calling was a section place at 88. Happy to congratulate you.
I could do a red and black,
And don't
but
forget, please, the last route the numbers by red, but I want 80 and 90. So, Friday suggests I'm already doing new screen for you. Good luck.
got that one hit. Thought we were looking good there for a second, but couldn't capitalize after. Fortunately.
Wow, bullet down 25
Last
rides.
spin.
High with number 30 in the first calling Boston section. Man by 80 for 15. Congratulations. Please, first place.
Come on, God. Come on, God. Come on. Come on. Come on. Give me something here, please. Seriously.
Good luck.
Come on. Holy.
Hey guys, how are you doing? How's your life going? This is great, I'm Charlie. We're really happy to be game with you. Welcome, welcome.
No. Alright, I'm done.
We'll choose two black at this time. Although even first
out.
and second calling was in section.
Blew another $180. $190. I'm done. That's bad. That's just bad. Honestly. It's just bad. It's just really bad. Alright, I'm out. Yeah. This is not good. This is not good. Noah.